this one's a bit of a special one. We're competing today in a British sprint series. The Chicken Run it's called, at Saintswells. So got the old Sherco ready, got some new tyres, just serviced it. She's ready to go, new chain sprockets, 100% U. Yeah, the other boys, they couldn't make it, and my phone's ringing, so I better answer that.
Right, so we're down at the line now. I've already done a couple of laps, a couple of timed laps. So basically what happens now is you get seated. Right. Hello. Just explaining how it works.
Alright.
So say you were 30th fast, you go 30th off the line then. So the person in front of you will be slightly faster, the person behind is slightly slower. So your aim of the game is to go up field. We'll see if we can do that. I'm not sure if I'm allowed my GoPro, so I'm going to keep a low profile. There he is, Ivan. How'd you get on that run?
I was alright, I know I'm a clear track.
Oh, sweet. So today's the first time me and Ivan are Canito to do. Because it doesn't matter what class you're in, if you were 30th fastest over the whole day, like the whole group, that's where you start. No matter if you're a novice or a championship. I'm in the expert and it is a tough old field today. Wow. All these bikes here in front of me. Yeah, boy.
In the next batch to come in. Lewis Brown.
Bit nervous now. I was. There's a Kawasaki behind me that I was behind last time, so I was a tiny bit quicker than him. So now I got to be a tiny bit quicker than this guy. Nice to see a few fans out. So as you see, we're going off at every 10 seconds to make sure that you don't catch up with the guy in front or vice versa, so you get a nice fair clean track. The track's about 10 minutes long, so it's a long time to be going as fast as we can. No one's noticed the camera yet, so basically we've got transponders on. The time doesn't start till we go past that service line. It's bumpy down here. Keep it in. Keep it in. Oh, that was fast. This is really slick coming onto this road. Tiny little pebbles. So now we're going to go on to the winter track, where there should be some ruts now. This bike is fun. Gotta try and keep it together though. Tiny little mistakes over a 10-minute lap really affects your time after all. Real bumpy this. Stay on the smooth line, heavy on the anchors, get on this inside line. Trying to stay out the bumps. Jump. Sneaky little line that. Oh, it's dusty. Oh my god, these braking bumps are getting worse. Come on, 300! It's a perfect little bike for this. Nice and steady through here because there's big holes, jumps. I think it's faster to go around them. Heavy on the anchors. Catch the rut. Catch this rut as well. Steady. This is horrible, you G out. Woo. It's hard work. Stay low. Land on the gas. Off camber. This next section is horrible as well. I'm going to hang up high. It's just so rough, this. Oh. On the peg, sit down, power through the rut. Careful of this bridge because it's slippy. One more turn here. Stay high off this. Oh, a little mistake. Gosh. Nice little grass section coming up to relax your arms. Not that it's that relaxing. The grass has got some grip now. This bike corners on this grass so well. Vlog life. Oh, that was rough. Keep it together. No rut here yet. Slammer in here. Oh. Ah! Lost some time there. Just getting hard work on the arms now. Stalled it. Thank you, electric start. Steady. Punch it. Down again. Get your weight over the front. Dig that front tyre in. We're coming to the hard enduro section now. We're going to jump over these rocks. Get up here. Land on the flat. Not too fast. So we can go inside there. Keeping it lit there. This is where I should be faster. Goes tight here. Steady. Power. This was really slick this morning. The Kawasaki's catching up with me. Because I'm making small mistakes on these corners like there. Stay on this mud stuff. You got a bit more grip. Get down, wheel. Bit more grip, come on, push it. I'm not trusting the front enough. I need to roll the corners faster. Don't touch the brake. Roll, 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 roll. Yes! Not touching the brakes there, so let it roll. We're off the brakes now, let it roll. Square it up, smash it! We're going into an interesting section now. This goes round and round and round and round. It's all about keeping your speed up here. My weight is on the front tyre as much as it will go. See the apex. Change down again in the rut. Smooth on the power. Steadily increase the speed. Elbow up. Come on. Run wide. Power. Don't look behind you, you fucking bellend. Idiot. Concentrate on your own race. There is a lot more grip here now. We're in third gear now, just leaving it. Okay, let's go on the inside here. Sets you up nicer for this. Oh, we're gonna run wide, come on. Too hard into that. Now we're gonna go back on the motocross track. And I need to give it some. Fatigue setting in now. Throw a nice little whip over here. Keep it pinned. Change down again. Keep it lit, keep it lit. Go on the inside. Inside, keep it smooth. Right there. We're near the end now. Seat belts. Don't fuck it up now, Marshy. This is a good one. Then stretch. Come on. Hook that rat. This bit's tricky. On the clutch. And we're done. Woo! Holy cow.
Alex go, 10:05.
Wow, let me know what you think of that, ladies and gentlemen, because that was intense. There's still some experts that haven't gone off yet. So I think we're doing alright. I can see one or two green number plates. That says that you're an expert.
Riders mixing it with some very, very quick.
Let me get my breath back. Holy cow.
Chicken Run 2021, done and dusted. No crashes, surprisingly, which is great. I came 17th overall, 17th in experts, and 31st overall, including the championship boys in the British sprint. So I'm pretty impressed with myself, actually. The Shirka was bob on. She's a bike to be reckoned with, especially on the flat stuff. And yeah, we're off home. Thanks for watching.